Hello, this is Derek, and today I'm going to speak about classes and objects. So, in object-oriented languages like C++, a class is an extensible program code template for creating objects and for providing initial values and states and implementations like member functions. So, when an object is created by a constructor of the class, the resulting object is called an instant of the class, and the member variables specific to the objects are called instant variables, to contrast with class variables shared across the classes. So now we are going to see an example of classes. So, here I have a program called toll booth. So here I'm having a class toll booth, and a class can have many data types and as many methods as we want. So there are access specifiers in the class. So there are mainly three kind of access specifiers: public, private, and protected. So we'll go in these things deeply later. So now let us see the structure of a class. So a class first it has a list of different kinds of variables, like you have unsigned int, then double, and then again unsigned int, and then I have so many methods. Actually, these are called member functions. So here we have a constructor of the class toolbooth. So this constructor is a special member function which invokes itself when an instant of this class is created. That means an object is created. So see, as I'm creating toolbooth E1, automatically this constructor will be called, and the variables will be initialized. So a constructor is normally used to initialize the variables. So apart from these, I have other functions called void paying, non-paying, void display. We can have number of functions like this. So after declaring a class, we have to end it with a semicolon, and then in the main, to use this class, we need to call the class name, and then we have to give a object name. So we can have a single object, or we can have an array of objects. So it depends on your requirements. So I have declared T1 here, and this is the object of toolbooth. And now for accessing the functions inside, so see, here comes the part of the SS specifiers. So now I'm creating a object in the main which is outside of this class block. So that's why I have these functions under the public SS specifier. So for that I can use these functions outside the class. So to access them, we use a dot operator similar to structure data type C, like t1.paying, t1.nopay, t1.display. So these are functions we are calling using the dot operator. So this is the basic overview of classes and objects. Thank you.